You work hard for your brand, and at NBi FlexPack, we work just as hard to make your packaging attract attention on any store shelf. Premium printing and a diverse range of pouch styles for snacks, nutraceuticals, pet treats, and child-resistant packaging ensure your product is eye-catching. Unique spot embellishments like satin, gloss, and soft touch not only add visual appeal, but also encourages customer interaction. We're committed to quality and safety. NBi Technologies, our parent company, is recognized as a safe quality food certified company, providing you with trust and peace of mind that our food packaging meets the highest standards. We're also dedicated to providing you with sustainable packaging solutions. Our compostable and recyclable packaging options offer a way to reduce your environmental footprint while still delivering premium performance. Navigating child-resistant packaging regulations is no small feat, especially when it comes to child safety. That's why our packaging comes equipped with features like CR zippers and tear strips, ensuring you meet safety standards. From the moment you reach out with an inquiry, you have NBi's team of packaging pros on your side every step of the way, including meeting state-by-state regulations. All of our packaging solutions are manufactured in the United States with American materials, ensuring a standard of quality and reliability that stands up to your expectations. We are strategically located in America's heartland, so no matter where you are in the U.S., you'll get your order fast without the overseas shipping holdup. We have low minimum order requirements with quick turnaround time. When your brand is on the line, you can count on us. Learn more at nbiflexpack.com or call us at 888-NBI-FLEX.